everybody. Welcome to the Sound Science program at the Museum of Science and History at the Pink Palace. My name is Miss Ellie, and today we're going to learn about sound. If you heard that, how did it happen, right? What's the science behind sound? Why do we hear it? How do we speak it? For instance, these instruments here, what makes them all sound different from each other? What makes this drum sound different from this drum? What makes a bell sound completely different from any kind of drum? And what makes each string of a guitar sound different from one another? Well, that's exactly what we're going to learn about today.